celebrate ako ng may gathering with all of my supporters. Kaya sa way of saying thank you and para rin ma-reach ko kayo with this of course special date, I'm just really happy that you guys are here today to join me. Happy 11th year, 11th anniversary sa atin. Ayun, sabi ni Ting Perez, ibang career wishes na bago? Career wishes. Siguro, ano ba? Most of the time na medyo na madami pa tayong gustong ma-achieve in life, of course. Yung international project, isa yan talaga sa gusto kong ma-achieve siguro. Hopefully next year, I don't know, within the year, who knows? Si Lord lang ang may alam kung kailan. Pero I'm really doing the best I can to, kahit pa paano magkaroon tayo niyan sa portfolio natin. So, isa yun sa mga focus ko at the moment. For self-growth din as well. I've been in the industry for 11 years. So, ang sarap din naman na maka-experience ng something international. Something na, that we can tell the world that the Filipino people has talent when it comes to the craft of acting. Sabi ni OMG, it's Drajex. May tanong po ako. Ano pong advice nyo sa mga taong nagsasuffer sa mental health ngayong pandemic? Sobrang hirap po talaga na mga pinagdaanan natin this past few years, and ako po, I really believe na minsan kailangan talaga natin i-acknowledge yung kalungkutan, yung feeling of emptiness, and yung hardships when it comes to our mental health, lalo in these trying times. But, of course, acknowledging it doesn't necessarily mean na you have to let it control you or take over you, because that's a sign of weakness. And I know hindi naman lahat tayo may ganun klaseng intuition to fight mental illness, because that's a very difficult battle to be in. But you having faith in the Lord, yung pagiging madasalin at nililift up lahat sa Kanya, I think is the best solution to that problem. If all else fails, the Lord doesn't. So, yun lang yung mapapayo ko sa lahat na nakakaroon ng hardships ngayon. Of course, because of the pandemic, is, lift everything up to the Lord, because siyang bahala sa buhay natin. That's it. Sabi ni Paz Moradas, miss ko na si Pachuchi. Wala, nandun sa isang bahay. Sabi ni RJ Shoes, okay po ba ang mental health nyo? Okay na okay. Minsan sa sobrang okay nga, lumalagpas na sa normal. Hindi naman, joke lang. Pero yes, I'm doing good. I'm happy. I'm motivated. I'm very much looking forward sa future. And alam mo yun, that's the only way to go. Forward. You have to move forward. Shane Paderna, what do you want to do? An action drama ba? Yes. Action in a sense of Mission Impossible, ganyan, or Taken, ganyan. Kasi like, itong pandemic, I've been given the privilege to really watch mga Korean dramas, and I have to give it to them. I am a fan of Korean dramas because it was well written, well shot, well directed, well acted, lahat. I mean, it gives the audience a full experience of the story na pag-iisipin ka most of the time, then eventually bibigay sa'yo yung answers, and then it's up to you to process it, and then eventually you get, parang yung, as we watch Korean dramas, ini-elevate niya yung comprehension ng audiences nila, and we don't get stuck to the normal stigma of drama na very predictable yung mga mangyayari. I think that's the beauty of it. So sana malay nyo makagawa tayong K-dramas. Hindi natin alam. Hopefully. K-drama is life, sabi ni Edna May 17. Grabe nga naman yun. Oh, di ba? Shoutout sa mga K-drama fans dyan. Favorite K-drama nyo po, sabi ni Mika. Of course, It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Goblin, I like Goblin. Actually, I've watched Black and The Guest. Yung mga dark. Hellbound is very nice. Yung Vicenzo kasi hindi ko natapos yun pero I'll strive to finish it. Diba? Startup is also nice. Ganda rin siya. At saka, ano pa ba? Tale of the Nine-Tailed. Oo, yun. Maganda yun. Tale of the Nine-Tailed. Sinong international celebrity ang gusto mong makasama sa isang movie? Sabi ni Si Marilag. Sino international ba? Choboa. Kasi may picture kami ni Choboa nung nung Seoul Drama Awards na awarding. I don't know, nandun yun sa sa Instagram ko. Kaya lang kailangan ko pang matutong mag-Korean bago natin magawa yun. Sabi ni at Friends for Alden USA, sabi, ayun pala, yes, of course, Squid Game. Well, yun, Squid Games is a very nice series as well. Kumbaga parang the way Korean writers writes different kinds of series sa Korea, parang it really tackles everyday life with on a different perspective. Okay, it's very interesting to watch, like Hellbound. I'm sure, like Squid Games, lahat ng nakapanood yan, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It's looking at life at the other side of the spectrum. It's not one-sided, it's not predictable, and parang may aha moment ka at the end of that na parang, ay, pwede ngang mangyari to. Ay, may mga ganitong tao pala. So, ang lalim ng comprehension, yet na ilalatag nila yon ng mas understandable, mas madaling i-comprehend as a viewer. Binibigay nila sa atin yan. To Felix Edita, happy 11th anniversary, Alden. More blessings. God bless you. Thank you. Uy! Ito pala si Miss Ami. Hi, Miss Ami, the Canadian Eagle. Hello po. How are you? Hope to see you soon. Ingat kayo ni Doc PJ. Sabi ni Tintinella, question me, favorite ka bang K-pop group? Sobrang nagagalingan lang ako talaga sa Blackpink. Pakagaling nilang sumayaw. Lalo na yung ko. Paano ko? Siguro kasi pag tinawag ko siya ng iba, baka marami magalit sa akin kasi marami daw nakapila. Anyway, basta Blackpink is very good, especially Lisa is a very great dancer and performer. Yung ibang-iba siya off-cam, tapos pag tumugtog ng music and she dances on stage, she becomes a different persona, different person. So, grabe si Lisa. Siya ang number 1. Sabi ni Vincent Bangato _M7, any tips how to be an actor? Anyone can be an actor. It's really a matter of how much you want to be an actor. So again, babalik tayo dun sa goal setting natin, which is, do you want to achieve your goal or are you committed to achieve your goal? Meaning, if you want to achieve your goal, you will just do things na komportable ka, and parang you will not come out of your comfort zone, as opposed to you're committed to your goal, or let's say like you're committed to be an actor. You will do whatever it takes. And I guess that's what happened to me when I started in the industry. I was committed. I didn't know I was committed until such time na I realized na gusto ko na pala talaga siyang gawin. So, I did everything. I started from the bottom, rock bottom, sa ilalim. I auditioned. I was judged. I was being pushed aside most of the time. But I was motivated. I was focused. I was positive in life. I was committed to do these things for my family. So that's it. Yun. If you want to be an actor, you can be an actor, and anyone can be an actor as long as you have the drive, you have the passion to be one. So good luck. Yan, sabi ni Regine Venus SLPT, ano feeling na nakapagbigay ka ng video greet sa cast ng sa cast ng Money Heist? Sobrang kabado ko nun. I just finished it today. And pagkagising ko sa umaga, naiyak ako agad sa ending. I mean, it's also very beautifully written, how it was laid out. very madaling intindihin, pag-iisipin ka, very, very deep. Like, I've been a fan since episode 1 and siguro talagang being just a fan of the series is really a privilege, and someday I would also like to be part of those of that kind of ensemble. Great actors, great writers, great directors. So parang, you know, sometimes in life it's really a matter of how big your dream is. Mangangarap ka na lang din, lakihan mo na. Huwag mo nang tipirin. Kasi magugulat ka at the end of the day, na-achieve mo na pala yung pangarap mo. So always guys, siguro isa yun sa mga lessons na gusto kong i-share sa inyo on my 11th year is really to dream big. Huwag nating tipirin ang mga pangarap natin. Huwag nating sabihin na hindi ko kaya. It's not a question of I can't. It's a question of how can I? How can I go there? How can I achieve my dreams? So dream big, guys. I'm telling you. And have faith. Sooner or later, it will happen. Yan, hi to MJ Akub28 watching all the way from Zamboanga City. Hello. Sabi ni Leah Man of Rome, ikaw ang pangarap ko po. Malay mo naman, magkita tayo soon. Pero ingat ka palagi. Uy! Sabi ni Josh Certeza, anong difference ng concert mo ngayon sa concert mo before? Well, this past concerts that I've had are really concerts that's umikot siya it's all about Alden Richards. Kung mapapansin niyo po yung Upsurge and yung Alden's Reality and then yung Adrenaline Rush. It was all about Alden. Right now, I would like to give the limelight to the one person who's behind Alden Richards all the time, which is Richard Fulkerson Jr. So, parang it's his time naman. Parang it's my way of saying thank you to this person, which ako rin. Labo, no? Pero anyway, siguro ganun lang ako kalalim. Pero I want to give the limelight to him because he's one of the instruments na kung bakit nandito ako ngayon. Why I was brought up this way. Why I strived hard in life to achieve the things that I want for myself and my family and the people around me, and most especially to my mom. So, again, like nang sinasabi ko sa mga plug, it's may performances, yes, but it's not really about the performances. The performances is just a tool to make the documentary aspect of the concert thicker. Pampakapal siya. But actually, the purpose is the main is the lead star of this project that I've been working on in the past months. And I'm really proud of the outcome. I'm really happy that I was able, in my lifetime, I was able to produce something that I can say that's my legacy to the people that I've helped, especially to the kids, the scholars that we have now. They're the most important thing this concert has. So I'm very, very happy about this concert. And yun guys, of course, it's on January 30, 2022. Next year po yan. Tickets are available sa Ticket to Me. Kasi na naman tayo ng promo. Pero anyway, nagawa ko rin sa previous live natin. It's really, right now, it's really more about, you know, talking about life and yung past 11 years of experiences ko sa showbiz that I really want to share, and I really want to parang, I want you guys to be part of it. I want you guys to know that you are a great contributing factor for my sa career ko in the past 11 years, because without you guys, without all the supporters that I've had, wala naman ako dito. Ulit-ulitin ko yan kahit sabihin nyo sirang plaka ako, pero it's my way of reminding these people that they're very important and that they're very essential.